Today I'm going to show you how to fail.
No. Oh.
Okay, you're gonna vomit. Stop. Just bite.
Epic fail.
I don't think you failed at all.
Well, you did.
I think you positively passed.
Partly. Well, you're a mother, Mum, so. Think very nicely about people. Can I have my foot next week? Actually, I don't know. I'm not sure if I can eat with this plate. Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah. So, should I go get another one?
You seized that plate.
Good thinking. Good thinking. What? Three? You done three Fajitas? Two bites, three
Can you
bites.
not talk with your mouth full, please?
Have you seen the M&M mansion? It's huge.
It's good.
I guess that was good.